We have steps. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, look at it. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's really nice. Good morning, you guys. It is Friday, December 23rd, and we are back with another house update. By the time you watch this, it will be Christmas, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday weekend. And since this will go out on Christmas, I hope you're having a happy holiday, Christmas joy filled with love and laughter and family and friends. And it is the season for giving, although it is nice to receive. We are heading to the house. Mike is in front of me somewhere. He may already be there because I pulled out a little bit after him. I don't know about you guys, but this holiday just seems very different. It feels different. And as I read a lot of statuses on social media, it's like nobody's really in the holiday spirit. So I don't know what's happening, what's going on. For me, I feel like I just have a lot going on in life right now. And so it's just, yeah, this is on the back burner. We were not thinking we were going to do any Christmas shopping, but I guess we are a little bit, kind of, sort of, just for our household, and that's it. So today is a busy day. Like I said, heading to the house. After we leave the house, I have a photo shoot at 11, a family of like 15 or 18. Yes, it's December 23rd and we're taking Christmas pictures, but when you have family coming in from out of town, you make it work how you need it to work. And this is just the day everybody was going to be in town and available. So I have that from 11 to 1, and then I have hair from like 2 to like 4:30 or 5. And then Mike and I have to get back out and do some Christmas shopping. So it's a busy day. Yeah. In Kansas, it is a whopping 3 degrees. A whole 3 degrees. Hence why I'm bundled from head to toe. I didn't even really comb my hair today. For what? And it snowed the night before. What was yesterday? Thursday. It snowed Wednesday night into Thursday. It snowed. So yeah. All right, y'all. We will check in with you guys at the house. If you're new here, my name is Camille. We're meeting Mike at the house. And yeah. See you in a minute. Wait a minute. We have door handles. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, that's nice. Oh my gosh. I forgot what we selected. So that's pretty cool. Another one. Darn, I forgot to tell them I wanted this on this side. That's okay. Gotta figure something out with that. Oh my God. We we have a countertop and a sink. Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Okay, nothing new in here. Okay, hold on, wait. We have trim completed. We have a countertop. Oh, I can't wait till this is cleaned off. Wow. This is crazy. I wish you could see it's like filthy, so you can't see the flecks of glitter. Oh, okay, there you can. Now you can a little bit. Oh my goodness. Round pocket door lock, so that's on. Oh, wow. Okay, I think you push. How do you get it open? Oh, there you go. Oh, it scratched it. They need to fix that. Oh yeah, that's not gonna work. I don't like that. If you see, there's more room there than there is over here. And so it's scraping. It's like something's not. So it's just gonna keep making this worse over time, and it's already scratched. Darn. This is what I forgot. This is what I forgot to make sure of, that this had a lock. So wait. Oh, I didn't have it pushed in. Okay. Oh man, that matches that so beautifully. Honey, what do you think? I think that looks different.
It's gonna look like your drawers though. 'Cause that's how the drawers look.
Yeah, that's how the drawers will be.
Yeah. So it makes it all look uniform.
Yes. So.
And you hold it and take it.
Yeah, then hold it like this and let me see. That looks nice too. I don't know, but I kind of like, you know, I like different. So I kind of like the fact of walking up, doing this, and opening.
It makes it just looks more, to me, contemporary.
And nobody else. It's not the norm. So yeah, go look at it from a distance and see. Because you lose the height not going the other way.
Man, one more time, turn the other way. I sort of like it like that, man.
Okay. Yep. Let's do it. And you've never done it like this before?
Usually like this.
You don't want it over the other way, it's probably not like this,
Yeah.
not like that.
Cool
I
beans.
mean, if we do it like that, to make it look all right. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And then, whatever you're saying.
Yeah.
And then this one, I'll put right here. Actually, I put it in the middle to match this one.
Okay. Yep. And then that doesn't get one, so
Right.
would you do these in the middle too?
Yeah, remember, these will go right here. Well, yeah, you want to put them in? I can put them in the middle.
Yeah, to kind of match.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
And so on the, yep, because this right
A
here,
bunch of trash, yeah. It goes in the middle with this one.
yep, middle.
Yeah,
And so will that will go in the middle of these
Yep.
two? Okay.
They're smaller though, see?
Oh, okay.
These kind of go on here. That's the
Okay.
way the printout is anyway.
Okay.
Hopefully we're all right.
Okay, now that we're done with handles, let me show you guys the countertops. Yay! We have steps. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, look at it. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's really nice. I like how they did this end. The other one didn't have this end. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So there was a whole catastrophe with this. When they originally did it, they did it to here, you know, because normally these doors don't move, but ours do. So they had to come back and fix it, and it looks beautiful. And there's still a lot of room to put a table and chairs. And then over here, to do a seating area to watch the TV. This is the only part of the rail that's in. And then this is what this is like. Woo! You feel that chill? And this is what's done here. Oh my gosh, it looks so good.
And if we don't like them,
Can't change them.
I mean, yeah, we can change them. These are standing. Okay, when they're running, these are normally standing, right? But if we don't like them here, we can keep this hole right here, flip it up, and that's it. Yeah, we don't do that.
And go. One is like exhaust. Oh, the lights. Yeah.
Is this the light in the bathroom? The toilet? Come over.
Turn it, flip that.
Where's the light? I guess it's gonna be what? Light and exhaust all in one?
We have lights in the not the bathroom, I'm tripping, in the office. Okay, so already Mike does not like these orange lights, and I don't even know if you can see them in this video, but he likes the white lights. Here I come. So they're gonna try to see if they can change it. Oh my gosh, look at this. Yay, we have countertops. It looks so clean. Okay, let me go see what they want. This one's countertop is in. This one has the flakes. Look, it's so good. And then these are her knobs. Not knobs, but hardware. And then her This is black. Oh my gosh, that's in too, and Cricut. And that up there is black. So oh, and her door hardware is black. It's coming together, guys. That's very Cricut. But maybe with the backsplash it won't be so bad. Another light and smoke detector. Okay, so this door locks. Ooh, I love that hardware we selected. And that's what Aeson's closet's looking like. You guys, I feel like this is a, I feel like this is a sweet Christmas video. That did not go so well. Okay, we'll have to talk to him about that. Door stoppers. It's nice. Okay, you guys, wait. Look! Isn't that cute? Oh, I can't wait to see it at night. So you don't pull down, you just pull it to open it. Yeah, that just ripped off, so that's not supposed to be like that. I am in love. Oh my gosh. This is in the guest room for now. And that's the light. Now those I don't mind having that orange glow. Again, I need to see it at night to see how much light it's given off. But keep in mind, we will also have, the bed will be here, and then it will be a nightstand or two, and they will have lamps on them. So that'll be additional light too, like next to the bed. But this is absolutely gorgeous. I am in love. This is in the closet. Oh, that's nice. We haven't been here in a while, and so all of this is looking really beautiful. Okay, and then this. Okay, it does. It's time to go. The house is looking so great and so grand. I have to get to this photo shoot. I have about 12 minutes in the snow to get to the other side of town. And the electrician just showed up, so I'm gonna let Mike take care of that. Honey, we have lights. We can come at night. Are they locking the place up?
I don't know. You got the keys. All we know, we can go upstairs and slide it open.
True, because that's not locking. Let me turn this around. And then Mike is gonna put lights on all of these posts, I believe. Yeah, our neighbors moved in. They closed yesterday. Look at this. Did you see the electrician? Are they in the driveway?
Oh.
The electrician.
No.
He said they arrived. You guys! Oh my goodness. I not expecting lights, and I was not expecting countertops. We have not been to the house in, let's see, yesterday it was snowy. I was gonna come, but couldn't make it because I had stuff to do. The day before, it was like raining ice, so I didn't come. And I don't think I came. The night before that, I came, but it was the middle of the night, and so I didn't get out of the car. Just because I didn't want to be walking through the house in the dark by myself. Oh my goodness, we have lights. It is insane that we have lights. Oh my goodness, keep your hands on the road, Camille. Not on the hands on the road, hands on the steering wheel. Okay, so we have lights, we have countertops, and we have doorknobs on some of them. And oh my goodness, this is crazy to think that we will be living in this house in no time. Oh, and we have the railing on the outside. Our fan is in our room. I don't know if I got to show you because I'm rushing. It is 10:58. My photo shoot's at 11, and I am all the way on the other side of town. This is where communication comes in, though. So I've already reached out to my client to let them know, stay in the car, to stay cozy and warm, and I am en route. And she said, no problem. Some of the kids may already be there with their families. And yeah, my stomach is touching my back. I don't know why I didn't grab a snack to eat. But at this point, now there's no time. I may have to stop at a Quick Trip to grab something to throw in my mouth because I don't want to pass out nor get lightheaded. And I don't have anything in here. Anything in here. I need to start putting snacks in my car again since I'm always on the road. Yes, this is exciting. I should have left earlier, but I couldn't leave because we were discussing things. Anywho, yeah. That is the end of this house update. We wish you all a very Merry Christmas from our family to yours. And we pray that this year has been full of love and full of change that has been good for you, your heart, your soul, your mind, your body. And if you are still living, you have another day to get it right. We appreciate you all and are so thankful that you guys are hanging out with us and watching us build our right now home. Slow down, slow down, slow down. It's ice. It's a sheet of ice. Oh Lord. Okay. Make sure you leave us a comment below. Let us know what you think about the drawer pulls. Do you like them going this way, or do you like them going this way? The guy said he's never done them going this way, so it's different for him. And we like different. So Mike wanted something more modern, and I feel like that would give the more modern feel. So yeah. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and make sure you hit that like button. Until next time, peace out.